Hey everybody, it's Fred with Arcaudio. Are you looking forward to getting audio put into your bike? Brand new Harley Davidson, or maybe something dating all the way back to 2014? Well, Arcaudio's got the solutions for you. We've got the accessories and the components, everything you need to make those rides the way you want it. Stay tuned. Well, one of the things about Arcaudio is we were one of the first to come into this market. Now, when it comes into these motorcycles, we got everything from the plug-and-play harnesses for the 2014s all the way up to even the new 2024s. We've got DSP solutions that allow you to plug and play and fix all the OEM signal issues that are found in the bikes, especially in the challenges that are found in these new 2024 bikes that a lot of people don't understand. Not to mention, you got the prior generation bikes. No worries. We got our affiliate company, iData Maestro, that we have the ability to correct all your OEM signal needs as well. This is just a touching aspect of what we have between amplifiers and speakers, accessories, kits, everything you need to make your systems absolutely the best there is. It's Fred with Arcaudio. If you guys want to know more about the products that we have, including all these new accessories that we have for everything from the 2014 Harley Davidsons up to even the new 2024s, check out our website at www.arcaudio.com or give us a call here at the office. Anybody here is more than willing to help you out and give you all the information that you need to make your system rock out.